welcome to my channel. Obviously you clicked on this video because you're like, damn sis, these waves in your hair is looking absolutely popping, and I'm here to spill all the tea and walk you guys through as to how to create these bomb ass waves in your hair for only £36.99. So I used the BaByliss waver. It's called, let me see, Wave Envy, to create this beautiful waves. This is what the wand looks like. It comes with 3 heat settings, and it goes up to 200 degrees. It also comes with a really nice protectant, like heat protectant mat as well, so you guys don't have to burn the surfaces. Bro, I've burnt so many surfaces as a result of like not having that type of thing. So guys, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because over here we do everything affordable beauty and fashion, and just like this hair tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a lot more steals that you can get for really great prices. So make sure guys you subscribe to my channel, you follow me at the handles down below as well on my Instagram channel. Well, on my Instagram page, because it's real lit over there. Stay tuned, carry on watching. Towards the end of the video I'll be revealing all of the hair details as well, so just make sure you carry on watching. Right. Okay, so first things first, we're going to start sectioning out the hair into small strands. Go in with your waver, leave at least an inch from your scalp and just press it down. Hold it for a couple of seconds and move down to the next section. Do the same thing there, just press it down and hold it for a couple of seconds. Move along, press down for a couple of seconds, and you do that pretty much up until you get to the end. But I know this might just seem super long and like, oh my goodness, but honestly, as you guys can see, the results when you take your time is absolutely flawless. I would say if you've got long hair like myself, I've got about 22 inches worth of hair, it will definitely take me a good 35 minutes to get through the whole, well, my whole head. So I would say as well, if you are in a rush when you're doing this, at least make sure you take smaller sections at the front. When you start getting towards the back, then you can start taking bigger pieces of hair, because like they're not really going to see the back like that, or well, they don't need to really see how well defined the back is. But obviously if you've got the time, just do everything so it's nice and uniform. Now in terms of details as well about this particular hair that I'm rocking, I got this unit made for me by my hairstylist called Fab by Duchess. She's absolutely amazing when it comes to wigs, hair coloring, hair customization, revamping your old wigs. She can do it all. Like, it's like her work speaks for itself. I'm going to make sure as well that I list her Instagram pages down within the description box, so if you do want to go ahead and purchase a wig or even get one of your old wigs revamped, she's the person for you. Like, I'll leave all her details down below so that you guys can go ahead and use her services to do that. But yeah, now I've pretty much finished waving the hair. As you can see, this is what it's looking like, because I find that the hair waves a lot nicer when there is no hair serums and everything in it whilst you are waving it or curling it, anything in general. So now I'm going to go ahead and put some hair serums within my hair. So the one I'm using is from Aussie, and it's called the Shine On Serum. Absolutely love it. Just take a couple. To be honest with you, I kind of give a generous amount because I love it to look like nice and shiny and like it's got life. Like I said, obviously I'd obviously washed out this wig and everything, so I want to get all of the moistures and everything back into it. Alright guys, that is it for today's tutorial, and if you made it to the end of this video, you might as well go ahead and follow my socials down below, where I'll be posting about every 2 days on my Instagram, just showing you guys how I live my best life up in here. Okay, so I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure you take care of yourselves. Mwah.